I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. Charlie, I can't screen top again. If I no camera, no bro go can't screen top. It be me now for cam. This be celebrity what? Yawa. Charlie, if you don't subscribe to the YouTube channel, I beg you go subscribe. Don't subscribe here. I be go subscribe. Me who say who coffee, me who say who school, me who say the see like who share TV, people say like to go YouTube now share video. Yeah, me go subscribe right now. If I subscribe right now, everywhere you did beer, whether you did your bed top, whether you did party and or maybe meeting and things, or change, subscribe to what? Too Much GH. If you subscribe, I tell you anything beer way the trend, anything beer way they go on for any celebrity in lifestyle. Me Flamboyant, I can't talk. Maybe I can't so I make church and we I'm not call us mama be come because I'm not back can no go talk am well. It be me way I will come. I come maybe can you not talk us there everything will go on what give you a Charlie. I know say you go do and you do am to may God bless you. I know say you go do am because me say also wasum kika me say wasum kika. Right the team we can right now be say you we know on a rapper. When it comes to a rapper right now, this 21st century, where they rap back to back, we get a lot of rappers. But you know, say this rapper there, he be king. He name be what? Ken Sak. Say Ken Sak about to say Abe Kasa. Baba Kasa. Kasa no Abe Kasa, you know, the fine no no kanye. Once you know the we take the message because you know if you just bring song just like that. Sarkodie can talk say Ghanaians will never get my replacement as long as I live.
Agenda, so still a me boiling.
Sarkodie can talk. Obeka oni nyum right now in new track we can release no. Give me way no. Obeka come myself. Obi anya the so or no Sarkodie. Yeah, you Sarkodie we know say we know get yourself so because obi antimi nya we nim. Obi antimi nya wabodi, obi antimi nya we na oka ha. Obi antimi nya oba e friend trace awara no bro will get that thing. But when it come to musical hip-hop music or all the general way they do actually we go fit get your replacement and they won't make you get this understanding. You know we say they attack you be what Ghanaians they talk. Me I be voice for the Ghanaians. Ghanaians for can me Flambo I know can't talk. And this video too it'll go everywhere where people to they listen, people to they hear. Because you get the likes of Strongman, the likes of Eno, the likes of Medical, Joey B, those people no. Them to the free come the general inside, they go fit be your replacement. Because them more than them are laying inside. So if they can't talk say no bro go get your this one like your replacement for your musical industry inside there. Charlie brother man they like if you make your words be clear. And the way they talk to you, I sure say you be the music inside where they talk. Because we get big artists with them there Charlie, then they rap. Almost show us you know, say ben the kutia Charlie obeko wechi. E ba say o two for obeko wechi. But Sarkodie we do you king. So anything be they talk Charlie talent dey o. Talent day way, Charlie people today way, or to me rap it. We be able to me come ahead and So me what me I the one can't talk say if Sarkodie you the talker, if you know how you what you go talk then people go understand what you they say. Because so Kasa just like that there Charlie because we where we dey street up your fans, people where then they follow you, people where then they see you, people where like oh mama why Sarkodie and oh Kasa. So if you the talker, if you know how you go construct your words, if you know how you go like you go say things and things, because Ghana are your rappers, so the likes of Kwesiata, my message rappers, so the likes of Kwesiata, the likes of Medical, the likes of Joey B, the likes of all those rappers, you know, them two they go feel be what be they go feel can replace you. Sana me say me they make now here then what so sad. Tell this statement where you make the if I talk say I know body are they what. If I talk say I nobody I dey lie. I bought small way the fans to way they because every bro in art now, every bro for the music genre because if you look at the world like they place the rap like rap and existing and kasa existing from what? Is this from US way back in bronze or made hip hop act and buy you go feel see some rappers we almost bad like someone like Notorious B.I.G, someone like Tupac Shakur. Every generation will be better than every replace the flows and things. All you need to bring the fire out, your bass out and give us what is going on right now. You go be the best what rapper. So Sarkodie at the beg. If you the talker, for no say people they you know there people go feel do what they do more than what they do because we you know we appreciate your work. If God will give you that grace, into Kasa, she will not Kasa because the fans you know some boy you are say why you for can't talk that thing? If I not can't talk that thing. So say right now we did the social media top. You know the social media the celebrity out there We did the social media top 24/7 so of your love, so of the way we define your matter. Because you know get them go there. So all the talk too much GHR. We go explain things. But come on. Then I talk as soon as we say then echo. You can't right now. We go this one the social media top. We go need Twitter. We be kind of Twitter. We go there and girlfriend of actor Timmy Ibusa gets dragged by a side chick and girlfriends. Who name Timmy Ibusa or Ibusana? He be some Nigeria actor be. Some Nigeria actor or actor. Because actor or a nice boy. In picture there the screen top as I talk no we say the picture na screen also. The guy the be where right now no that actor no he get some girl be. They show the be he be image check. Then they bell am Lydia. The Lydia need day they observe social media and things because you know say if you dey date celebrity actually that you know be easy. You dey spy they monitor what they go on for social media top them things. When you there now when some show the be they bell am Tujo come social media, they influence when they love the girl. They love the girl say, if you can say your boyfriend, they love you. Your boyfriend, know he love you. Your boyfriend, no, he they do things for your back. He they do things plus some girl, but they rebel and what? Tuju. The Tuju know he they what? He they the way they bank your boyfriend for back. No. When Lydia not talk anything, you know say the Lydia girl no. They figure say the Lydia girl no, he be shoddy way like na no can someone and those things no. Sister dia way can't Twitter. You can't Twitter no. You go see what are the top. You go there your screen top. You talk say just because I have sense does not mean I have to use it. You see what he rep? He said since say you get sense no, it doesn't mean say you have to use it. So they talk the tuju this one no in boy no inside section say in this one Lydia he get sense so. He gets sense for your head inside. You know everything there where you go come poke him off then things. You know say your boyfriend he dey give him. Where the shot you know to come. The shot you know one laugh and say Charlie your boyfriend be something. We are talking say Charlie right now the shot is you know if they bank your man there. They know they be like they know they shout. They feel come up then can't talk say Charlie your man cry me I bank your man then things. If you can say your man he love you then things. The shot give him. Make her read what the shoddy know what. The shoddy know can rep. The reply no. You don't want me to have peace. You won't have peace. You want to racks come. Let's actually do it. What the hell did I do to you? Go and control your man. Stop fucking trying me. When you see me pull up on me, Lydia, let's end this. I beg. If you point at me one more time in public, I will destroy your face. I've been freeing your stupidity ass. You have left me. Slept with your fugly boyfriend. Are you the first? You want to fight me? You really want to smoke? Yes, I fucked him. Not once and not twice. You can ask him. You see what they talk you know? You be sure the way they data. The guy he no marry you. You see what the side chick they talk you? He say you try on my own. You go do what? You go spoil your face. I don't know what you go take spoil your face. I don't know say you go take acid or you go take I don't know. Say you go make some people can beat you or something. Make I talk you. If you the data. If you not do your body say the boy need be for you pay. Because the boy need be actor. You know say actor. The celebrity you know. Timmy Nagasa, Timmy you know. I don't know what they wrong am. I don't know what they wrong that guy you know. Because you there plus one woman. When the woman where you dey plus am no to the woman I dey give you. Why if you go take another side chick? You know be say you catch the what? The shot you say they do something. You know catch am say they do anything. So Timmy if you dey spy me make you not take your popularity they what? They take chop women and things. Tell the women they go feel make you. They go feel unmake you. This be what your fans say make I talk you. They say what? Make I talk you say if you don't do your body say you be fresh boy, you dey camera, you dey act the things you know. So you go take women, play the women, then you dey play plus them a heart. At the end of your life, you know, you yourself you go make yawa. Right now you be fresh boy, you get what? You get the looks, you get the swag, you get everything, you get the mouth. Sometimes go come, you know, that mouth now you no go fit talk anything. Sometimes go come, you know, that leg you no go fit go anywhere. Sometimes go come, you know, your ears in the crowd, no. Someone they talk, you no go listen. So they want to talk. You say if you be one woman where you go day body, Timmy, then plus that one, the what, that woman. Make you know, rather you see what Tujo can't talk your words, your Lydia, your first chicken. Rather, if something happened to Ama, they will feel go catch that girl. Where so of will happen, if you man where they will can't catch, where that thing to if you Jawa give you go spoil your brand. That's what me Flambo. I don't want to talk you. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what mankind. Tell you, oh, if I do be say, if I subscribe to the channel, you go what? Too much GH. You know, subscribe, Charlie. I don't know what they wrong you. If you subscribe, they make everything go on, give you all trending news where they go everywhere. Charlie, cause subscribe, can't subscribe, I can't go call me and recon social media. Can't go come abina, muna fedi kama kayi kama abina ya you call me kebaka. Kagani ayam kuri can subscribe. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Make sure say you go make love live. Love is the answer. Love is the key, and love is the what? All things we God the topic say make we depend on. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay blessed.
Me dey Isaiah Kodwampo, we betumi afem the great tempo. Mbrembrem, wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8. Too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.